Every great teacher has a first step. At Fulton County Schools, that first step is intentional, supported, and built for success. This is more than student teaching. This is preparation with purpose.
First Step program gives an opportunity for veteran or experienced teachers to support new teachers in their journey to becoming teachers.
I became part of the First Step program through my university, Clay State University. They introduced us the First Step program, and I saw it as an opportunity for extra guidance, extra support.
The First Step Student Teaching Internship connects aspiring educators with experienced mentor teachers in real classrooms where theory meets practice and passion becomes profession. It reflects Fulton County Schools' commitment to growing strong educators from the very beginning.
I became a teacher because ever since I was young, I've always admired my teachers and looked up to my teachers. My teachers made a big impact throughout my school career, and they always pushed me to become a teacher.
For Anna, teaching is about impact. And through First Step, she found a district that invests in that calling. She didn't just observe, she was empowered to lead, supported to grow, and encouraged to ask questions.
My experience with First Step Fulton and with my mentee was incredible because she was open-minded, she was flexible, she was willing to have conversations and share a bit about when she was uncertain or if she needed insight on something or had questions about a process that she may have saw me in and wanted to know more.
Success in First Step isn't about perfection. It's about growth, open-mindedness, flexibility, the courage to ask for support. And at Fulton County Schools, support is never far away.
I actually started my journey in student teaching with Fulton County, so I've seen the program evolve over the years. The program in the beginning was robust, but not as quite as what it is now. I think now it's more intern-driven and also being able to provide that support that's more realistic for teachers that are in the classroom. Because there has to be a balance with our expectations for the teacher and then also expectations that are realistic and aligned to being able to be a model teacher or exemplary teacher for an intern.
Through the First Step program, the district doesn't just recruit teachers, it develops leaders, nurtures talent, and strengthens classrooms across the community.